Yo, Minecraft champs want to wield a totally epic god axe in Minecraft 1.215? This 2-minute guide's going to hook you up. If this vibes, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's roll. Step 1. Fire up Minecraft Java Edition 1.2.1.5. Pick any world, survival, creative, whatever, or make a new one. I'm jumping into my survival world here. Step 2. If you're in an existing world, pause with Escape, click Open to LAN, toggle Allow Cheats to On, and hit Start LAN World. Takes like 5 seconds. If it's a new world, just enable Allow Cheats in the World Creation menu before launching. Step 3. Hit the T key to open the chat. That's your command central. Now type this beast of a command, 0. It's long, so grab it from the description link to copy-paste. This spawns a diamond axe with maxed out sharpness, efficiency, and unbreaking. Hit enter and boom. The god axe lands in your inventory, glowing with crazy enchantments. Step 4. Let's test this bad boy. Find a tree, oak, birch, spruce, doesn't matter, and left click to chop. Whoa, that tree's gone in one swing, faster than lightning. You can shred forests or dig like a pro. If the axe doesn't appear, double check the command syntax or make sure cheats are on. Pro tip, save the command in a note for next time. That's it, you're a Minecraft god. Like, subscribe and drop your favorite enchantment in the comments. Peace out. See you next time.